Hey guys, it's Mary. I have the auto ship from Diamond Press, the Nesting Tags Handmade Gifts Kit. So this is the second auto ship in the new, it was like, you know, the original that just got done a few months ago that had the stencils and the stamps and the dies. It was the ultimate. And this, they released after that one got done. And it's very similar because it has all of the above. It has the dies, it has the stamps, it has the stencils. And each time it's something different. There was, this one is a tag. I'm trying to think, the last one, it's still over here. The last one was nesting frames. So the first one, the original, not the auto ship, was the nesting gift box. Then nesting frames was the last one that we received. And now it's nesting handmade tags. So they're all nesting, and they're all different variations, and you can use the little drop-ins. See, this is the new one, and then this is the frames. So see how you can take this and you can use it with this tag, you can use that, and you can use it with this frame. So all of them will work with each other, which is a nice thing. So you're not just you just don't have just a standalone. You just have to remember to take them out and use them together, which is not my strong suit. So, but I am trying to be better. I can't even get this one open. All right, so they all come with the folders that go into the box, the storage box, which is nice because I do have the storage box, and it's the one is full of the ultimate kit. And of course, they always come with their folders. All right, so I'm gonna leave this here because you can see this really good. So the stamps are handcrafted, homemade, handmade, a little something for you. I hope you love it. From the kitchen of, happy birthday, baked with, and then it's got cupcakes. It's got like decorations for the side of cake. It's got cookies, looks like macaroons right there, a little bow, and then it's got the tags and the dies to cut out the little pieces. So let's take a look before we look at the stencils. Let's take a look. All right, so you got the two different kinds of tags, one with a scallop, one with a round. One of them says the drop-in is a gift for you. The other one is to and from. And then there's a made with, and then a heart made with love. So that you can mix and match. And then here's what it looks like with stamps. Look at the little macaroons. And the back of the tags. The small stencils for you, 100% enjoy and thanks. I think this one's very cute. The enjoy with the cupcake and the cookies. Very cute. All right, let's see what this one says. All right. And these are using the stamps. A little something for you. Happy birthday from the kitchen of Bake With. I hope you love it. A little something for you, Bake With. And then they show the combinations with the stamp and the die, just in case you're a newbie and don't know what to do with the pieces. And then these are all the stamps that we just went over. And then those are the small little stencils. And then these are the stencils, triangles, heart daisies, diagonal strips, and floral burst. So let's take a look at those. So it seems to me, and you guys who shop with Diamond Press, seems to me that new product for a while is like there was constantly something new, but it seems like that has slowed down considerably. Let me know if you agree, or maybe it's just my imagination, because I have so many things, and so I'm not, unless it's something unique, I'm not buying it. So that could be the problem. But you know how much I love Diamond Press. So there's a little 2.5 or 3, they're not quite 3-inch squares. So there's those stencils. This one, you could use anything on a card, not just a tag. All right, so here is the triangles. And these are the normal size that they've been bringing out their stencils now. And those are 9 1/4 by a little more than 4 1/4. So they'll be fine for a slim line, for a 5x7, for an A2 card. You can double up if you're going to do a 6x6, just match the patterns up. There's the heart daisy. Diagonal strip. That'd be perfect for Christmas. Little candy cane. And floral bursts. So that's it. So I think we've had 2. I think there's 4 more in the auto ship. But I can't swear. Don't quote me. So that's it. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you picked this one up. I know there were a lot of people that really love the Ultimate, and like me, they signed up for this one because it was similar, and you know, it had all the different pieces. Is the stencil, the dies, and the and stamps and the folders. So let me know in comments whether you pick this up, whether you like it as much as the Ultimate, whether you've used it. Don't ask me that question. because I cannot lie. But yeah, I'm happy. I just need to really, and I'm working on it, you know, getting things out and using them. I think I'm gonna, you know, try to go through a handful of stuff, you know, every week, and make some at least card fronts or something, so I can say that I've used everything, though it's going to take a while. I probably should have started in January, and here it is July. So, all right, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I love when you comment, and I love to hear your opinions, good, bad, or indifferent. And I love to hear your ideas, because there are a lot of times you guys come up with ideas I never would have thought of. So that's always fun. So yeah, so that's it. So if you haven't subscribed and you do want to, you can hit that subscribe button, and then there's a bell, and that bell will, if you click that, it will send you notifications when there is a new video to be watched. Or you don't have to hit it, and then you can just, you know, play like Russian roulette and come see once in a while whether there's what's new. So yeah, so that's it. So I hope your summer's going good. It's way too hot here where I'm at in California. It's like I'm in the valley, but it's not the Death Valley, but it sure seems hot. But I am sure that it is even hotter somewhere else. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.